Hello everyone, we the Niketans of class 9 are here to know something new. My teammates are Mahati, Ratnavali, Naina, Gayatri and myself Bhavya. India is a land of unity and diversity. So now we welcome the people of Andhra Pradesh and Punjab wholeheartedly. Now we are going to see about culture and traditional like dance forms, language, agriculture, dressing styles, etc. of our states.
Telugu is the official language in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is a Dravidian language. It has more than 75 million speakers. Telugu is one of the sweetest language. It is called Telugu in South India because it is as sweet as honey. దేశ భాషలను తెలుగు లెస్స proclaimed Srikrishna Devaraya. Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Gidugu Venkata Ramamurthy. His contribution to Telugu is Vyavaharika Bhasha. Telugu is also called as Italian of the East.
The language of Punjabi people is Indo-Aryan language with more than 125 million native speakers in India, subcontinents and around the world.
The native language of Punjabi people and ethno-linguistic cultural region of Punjab, which encompasses northeast India. Baisakhi is the festival of Sikhs New Year and a harvest festival. Every year it is celebrated on 13th April. After 36 years, it will be celebrated on 14th April.
We celebrate various festivals. Some of them are Bhishma Ekadasi, Ugadi, Petra, Brahmotsavam, Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti or Sankranti is the festival day celebrated in Hindu calendar and dedicated to deity Surya. It corresponds with the month of January and it occurs in the lunar month of Magha. According to Gregorian calendar, this is a day where the people of India and Nepal celebrate their harvest. Sankranti, also known as Pongal in Andhra Pradesh, is celebrated for 4 days and the people dress up as mythological characters. They burn all the old articles and they invite guests to their home and they celebrate this occasion as a big festival.
Ugadi is a festival celebrated mainly in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Ugadi has cultural, religious and natural importance which symbolizes the beginning of new era and time of harvest. It is believed that on this day, Lord Vishnu killed the demon Samakasura. We clean our houses, decorate our houses on this day. We buy gifts for our family members. We prepare a special dish called Ugadi Pachadi. It is celebrated on Chaitra Shuddha Padhyami, the day after new moon of Chaitra. This falls in the month of April or March. We draw colorful patterns in front of our houses called Rangoli. In Andhra Pradesh, women wear sari, blouse and chudidar. Men wear dhoti and kurta.
The men of the tribe got adopted to dhoti kurta, but women continued to wear their traditional dress. The traditional dress of Rambadi women comprises a long ankle-cut skirt, a blouse and a dupatta or gungan. Some women also wear blouse and sari. Muslim women wear salwar kameez, dupatta.
Dressing style of the Punjabis. In the ancient Punjabi region, people wear cotton clothing which the top slide till to the knees of both the genders.
Scarfs wore over their top, which would draft their left and right shoulders.
Rice. Rice is the major crop and staple food of this state. It is an exporter of many agricultural products. And East Godavari is the rice ball of Andhra. We have 3 agricultural economic zones. Chittoor district for mango pulp and vegetables, Krishna district for mangoes, and Guntur district for chilies. The important crops grown are
Rice 21.06 lakh harvest, maize 2.45 lakh harvest. Pulses 14.55 lakh harvest. Groundnut 10.15 lakh harvest. Cotton 4.71 lakh harvest. Chilies 2.06 lakh harvest. Tobacco 0.77 lakh harvest, and sugarcane 1.03 lakh harvest, and etc.
The important pulses grown in Andhra Pradesh are black gram, red gram, green gram, chana dal, chickpeas, black-eyed beans and Bengal gram.
The agriculture of Punjabis. The Punjabis has the 19th highest ranking among the India states and union territories in Human Development Index as 2018. Punjabi's food. Punjabi's food is lot like rich, robust and full of life. Bold textures, hearty ingredients are what makes Punjabi's cuisine. Punjabi's food is popular across the North India, and Punjabi's is a home authentic of tandoori food.
Thai, Thai, did Thai, 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 did Thai.
Kuchipudi is one of the 8 major Indian classical dances. It originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra.
Dances of Punjabis. Punjabis dances are area of folk and religious dances of Punjab people. Some know folk and Dankana, Mija, Junjuni, etc.
From the state Punjab, at least one person from every family will be in army. Punjab, the land of 5 years, is known for its love, helpful and hospitable people. We thank our friends a lot for giving this wonderful information. Thank you. Golden rice or pulhora is the most famous item of Andhra Pradesh. Amarajivi Potti Sriramulu Garu is the father of our state Andhra Pradesh. The state draws its name from Andhra Pradesh, who inhabited the areas of antiquity and development of their own language Telugu.